Open Designer tool. All-Seated differentiates tables with seats and tables without seats. However, for all tables found within the Library View menu option, you will be able to utilize the Open Designer tool, which allows you to build a visual reference of a table complete with centerpieces and place settings. Select a table from your floor plan, and located at the bottom of the Properties box, select Open Designer. Once this tool launches, you will see a diagram of the table in the middle of your viewing window. You will notice a single chair that is highlighted purple. This will be important when placing objects onto your tabletop. First, select the Place Setting tab on the left-hand side to select your dinnerware, silverware, and drinkware. Any object that's placed down on the tabletop in front of the purple chair will then populate in front of all other chairs on the table. Objects that's placed down on the table can be fine-tuned by rotating or deleting them altogether. Next, select the Table Setting tab on the left-hand side. This will launch menu objects that allow you to build centerpieces. Follow the same steps as with place settings. You can create notes for any of the objects you have placed on your tabletop. You can also print a 2D diagram of this setup. Let's review this table we have just designed in 3D by selecting the 3D button in the top right-hand corner. By using the directional arrows on your keyboard or on the screen, you will be able to view this table for a better sense of how it all looks together. Located on the left-hand side, you will see several linen library menu options. After selecting the type and color of linen, you will find 3 buttons at the top that will allow you to place this linen on all tables on the floor plan, remove the linen from all tables on the floor plan, or remove the linen from just this one table on the floor plan. Moving back to the 2D rendering, select General, where you can create another setting for place setting or table setting. Additionally, select Apply Setting 1 to all tables to quickly apply this setting to all tables with chairs. Once you have designed this tabletop, select the Close Designer button located in the top right-hand corner. As mentioned, All-Seated differentiates tables with seats and tables without seats. When opening the Open Designer for tables without seats, you will now be able to create buffet settings. By selecting the Buffet tab on the left-hand side, you can build a buffet table with options from serving items to displays. The ability to create notes and print this 2D diagram is still available. Additionally, the option to go into 3D and choose My Linen type and color, just as we previously did with tables with seats, is still available. However, now when you select the Apply Linen to all buffet tables, you will only be applying this linen color to tables without chairs. It will not affect the linen color you have placed for tables with chairs. Select Close Designer to exit out of the Open Designer tool. When you click a table, with seats or without seats, that has been placed on your floor plan, you will see Place Setting and Table Setting or Buffet Setting drop-down menu options at the bottom of the Properties box. If you would like to change a setting for the single table you have selected, you can choose from the drop-down menu.